Hi, Desiree here at Love That Door in our Frisco showroom, answering some of your most frequently asked questions. One of the questions we received was, what is the best cleaner for your iron door? You can use a couple of products, but honestly, we keep it very simple. You can use a mild dish soap, which we use Dawn dish soap, just very light mixture of a couple of drops of soap and water to where it's low suds. Especially if your door needs a good washing. Just use simple Dawn or a mild Castile soap. That will suffice. That will allow you to fully wash the door, and then you're going to want to also dry it off thoroughly if you're doing that. Otherwise, if it's just something simple, like you've got a couple of fingerprints around the door that you want to get rid of, we use a Sprayway glass cleaner to remove any smudges or fingerprints from the door. It's ammonia-free. You're gonna want an ammonia-free product. Windex will not work the same way, so please do not use that. But a Sprayway with a lint-free cloth is as simple as it gets and easiest to use. That's what we recommend here at Love That Door. If you have any other questions, visit us on our website at lovethatdoor.com. There you'll find our blog and some really great resources to assist you. Otherwise, we are here to help you on your next home improvement project.